Hi guys, this is Emil here at Formnext. I'm an application consultant with DyeMansion and I help customers achieve the best possible finish for their applications. So with our printer product workflow, we have the best-in-class portfolio with all products you need for all finishing steps. And one of those steps is of course vapor smoothing. For that you can see behind me the Powerfuse S. It's our most industrial, most automated system with top-notch performance. And to upgrade the capabilities even further, we have just released two important updates that I want to share with you. So the first update that I want to share with you is our upgraded Powerfuse S basket. We call it the Powerfuse S Basket Max. And as you can see, it really maximizes the volume that you have in the basket to hang your parts. It's 20% larger than our previous basket. It's compatible with all systems, so with the automatic loading and the manual loading. And of course, you can use it with all materials and all parts that you have. So either you want to smooth larger parts coming from a large format powder bed printer, or the second important use case is you just want to really upgrade your industrial processing and you want to maximize the parts per basket that you can smooth in one run. And because of our strong vacuum, it is ensured that even with the tightest packed baskets, still every part gets the same homogeneous, nice smoothing result. So of course we don't just want to maximize the amount of parts you get in one run with one basket, but we also wanted to minimize the floor space that you need for operation of the machine. So what we're introducing is the new loading guide. Essentially what it does, it strips away the loading unit and you just have a basic installation of a shelf-like loading guide. And this, number one, reduces the required floor space for operation by 23% compared to the previous manual loading unit. And additionally, it reduces your capex significantly because you don't have the cost of the manual loading unit. If you want it, you can still get it. But if you are a customer that has to work with limited space, then this is an ideal option for you. To summarize this, we already have a really performant machine, the best-in-class vapor smoothing solution. By these updates, we are improving your total cost of ownership drastically, and that was our main goal with the recent updates.